Good evening. Today we are to see about the methods of acquiring knowledge. First one is introduction. So knowledge is a complex, multifaceted concept. Information sources for clinical practice vary in dependability and validity. A brief discussion for some alternative sources of evidence shows how research-based information is different. So the knowledge acquired through relations, authority, experience, and borrowing trial and error. Intuition, research, and reasoning. So first one is intuition. The first method of knowing is intuition. So when we use our intuition, we are relying on our guts, our emotions, and our instincts to guide us. So rather than examining our facts or using a rational thought, intuition involves believing what feels true. So the problem when relying on intuition is our intuitions we can be wrong because they are driven by cognitive and motivational basis rather than logical reasoning or scientific evidence. So while this change in behavior of your friend may lead to you think to that she is lying to it must be he or she is holding a bit of gas or preoccupied with some other issues that is relevant to you. So, however, weighing the alternatives and thinking of all that alternative different possibilities can be paralyzing for some people, and sometimes decisions based on intuitions are actually superior to those based on analysis. So next one is authority. So one of the most common methods of acquiring knowledge is through authority. This method involves the accepting the new ideas. So these authorities include parents, media, doctors, priests, and other religious authorities, the government, and the professors. While your parents you may have told you that you should make a bed in the morning, making a bed provides a warm, damp environment in which the mice thrive. So keeping the sheets open provides a less hospitable environment for mice. So this example illustrates the problem with using the authority to obtain the knowledge is that they may be wrong, they may be just using the intuition to arrive their conclusions, and they may have their own reasons to mislead you. So rationalism. Rationalism involves using the logic and reasoning to acquire the new knowledge. So using this method, premises are sorted and logical rules are followed to arrive at the sound conclusion. For instance, if I am given the premise that we all swans are white and the premise is that there is a swan, then I can come to the rational conclusion that the swan is white without actually seeing the swan. So the problem with this method is that the premises are wrong or there is an error in logic, then the conclusion will not be valid. For example, the premise that all swans are white is incorrect. There are black swans in Australia. Also, unless formally trained in the rules of the logic, it is easy to make an error. Empiricism. Empiricism involves acquiring the knowledge through observation and experiences. Once again, many of you may have believed that all swans are white because you have only ever seen white swans. For centuries, people believe the world is flat because it appears to be flat. These examples and the many visual illustrations that trick our senses illustrate the problems with relying on empiricism alone to derive the knowledge. We are limited in what we can experience and observe, and our senses can deceive us. Moreover, our prior experience can alter the way we perceive events. So, even nevertheless, empiricism is at the heart of the scientific method. So, science relies on observations, but not just any observation. Science relies on structured observation, which is known as the systematic empiricism. Scientific method. The scientific method is a process of a systematically collecting and evaluating the evidence to test ideas and answer questions. While scientists may use intuitions, authority, rationalism, and empirism to generate the new ideas, they don't stop there. So scientists go to a further up by using the systemic empirism to make careful observations under the various controlled conditions in order to test their ideas, and they use rationalism. Inductive and deductive method. The inductive method starts with a particular example. The learner tries to arrive at a certain conclusion. This may lead to the formation of a law. In the deductive method, learner starts with a generalization or rule, then he comes to a particular example. So knowledge is gathered by both inductive and deductive methods. So conclusion. Acquiring the knowledge through traditions, authority, borrowing trial and error, personal experience, role modeling, intuition, and reasoning. These ways of the acquiring knowledge are inadequate in providing the scientific knowledge base.